Hello viewers, this is SM Kausal once again. In this tutorial I am going to tell you step by step process how to hide Instagram follow. First open your Instagram app. Log in your Instagram account. When you log in your Instagram, you find this option, top right bottom, profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. After then, when you tap, you also find and see top right corner, three-dot line. Tap on here. When you tap, scroll down, you see and find this option, notification icon. Tap on click here. When you click, you scroll down and first see this option, follower and followings. Click on here. When you tap, scroll down, you see and find this option, traditional system setting. Click on here. When you click here, after scroll down, you see this option, friend on Instagram. Tap on here. You see this notification icon turn on. After then you tap turn off. Turn off it. Thanks for watching this video.